I started with Tim and Julie way back before about the time the recession started was because other coaches and other programs that I was with did not embrace the new economy and the changes in the marketplace. Tim and Julie embraced it. My brokerage didn't even embrace it. We got terrible advice. And because of my coaching with Tim and Julie, I thrived during the recession and grew during the recession, and I'm ready for the next one. It's impossible as an individual agent to stay on top of the market, and we're in business pretty much by ourselves. You can't depend on your broker or other agents to give you the information you need, and Tim and Julie do that for you. Coaching does that for you. I've been a real estate agent for over 22 years, and I have always had a coach.